Hey guys, you have McGann, and today I'm testing out the e.l.f. Daily Brush Cleaner. I just did some makeup palette tests for the Mean Girls book. I've still got the swatches on my arm. I have no idea what order I'm going to post these videos in though, so I can't tell you if it's up yet or not. The box says, for a flawless looking application every time, washes away traces of dirt, makeup, oil, and debris from your brush while conditioning the hair to provide a clean and soft application. Directions: after using your brush, spray cleaner several times over the bristles. Gently wipe the brush onto a clean cloth to remove the makeup. Allow brush to fully air dry. Repeat daily or as often as necessary. Best results, blah, 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 blah. So I have my brushes, I have my cleaner spray, and per their request, I have a cloth. This is a Monster University cloth because I'm a geek like that. Okay, spray, 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 spray. I'm being very generous here. On the plus side, it doesn't smell bad or chemical-y at all, so that's kind of good. All right, I'm gonna use the back of the cloth. You can definitely see it taking pigments out. Let's see, try it with all of them. When your powers combined, you are a mess. I mean, it's working, but they don't look as clean as I would have expected for a cleaning spray. Maybe they need a second coating. Let's try. It's not as dirty as it was, that's for sure. But if you're gonna advertise and say it removes all traces of blah blah blah, I expect these bristles to be turning fully pink again. Well, they were white with pink tips, but still. I mean, it didn't do a bad job. They're definitely soft, but if it's removing all the traces of the pigment, dirt, oil, and all that, then yeah, I would expect these brushes to look brand new. I've never used a cleaning spray though, so maybe I'm expecting too much. Goop some of it back off of the sink that it's wasted on. So now they're all dry, and they are like super soft again, but I don't know how I feel about how clean they are. I guess we'll have to test it again and see. But this is a brush that I cleaned with just soap and water, and then on the left are brushes I cleaned with the e.l.f. spray, and it looks like the soap and water gets it a lot cleaner, although I will say it is pretty hard now, and these are much softer. So all important things to take into consideration, but overall, I guess for the few dollars that the e.l.f. spray costs, it's worth it. Anyways, you've been listening to McGann ramble on, and I guess we'll see you next time.